BSL, English audio with subtitle support. Smallest house in Great Britain, Lower Gate Street, Conwy. Don't be fooled by the appearance of this quaint red building. It wasn't built as a tourist attraction, nor as an extension to a larger house. Houses were built in rows against Conwy's medieval town wall. One row was built from the north end of the street and the other from the south end. The two rows didn't meet, and the gap between them was eventually used to create a low-cost, tiny new home. The smallest house was a residence until 15th May 1900. It was saved when Roger Dawson, editor of the Weekly News, spotted its potential. He placed a notice in the Times asking people if they knew of a smaller house anywhere in Britain. Other contenders were measured, but none was found to be smaller than this house in Conwy, which is featured in the Guinness Book of World Records for many years. The house was once owned by journalist Margaret Williams, who was often photographed outside the house in her Welsh costume. She died in 2015. If you find it hard to believe that anyone could live in such a cramped house, take a look inside at the remarkable living arrangements. You'll be amazed when you learn who used to live here.